short on time, and well, you only need 5 minutes. Do you have 5 minutes? That's all it takes to live longer, feel better, and add life to your use. It's better that than nothing, right? Stay tuned for the gym to get in the best shape of your life. First, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Android Store, Google Play Store on the Samsung, and download Themightymiracleman. I should use the one shown, but you can use any to bind the timer and it'll work the same. Get ready to sweat. So with this, you'll get a slam ball, which I've linked down below in the description. And when you again raise it overhead and squat down or throwing it down. Let's start.
Starting your Tabata workout. Get ready. Exercise. Rest. Exercise. Rest. Exercise. Rest. Exercise. Rest. Exercise. Rest. Exercise. Rest. Exercise. Rest.
Last one. Here we go.
Exercise. Rest.
And done. That was a good workout. It works your legs explosively and your biceps to grow your legs when you squat. Full body workout in only 5